Hey y'all, this is Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today where I have got a great dessert planned for you. I have a delicious sour cream pound cake. How good does that sound? This is fit for anyone, any occasion. Let's take a look. How beautiful is that? Did I not tell you? All right, let's see what it takes to get this thing going. I have here 6 room temperature eggs. I have some baking soda. I have some full fat sour cream. I have here some flavoring. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 2 cups of sugar. I have here some salt. We're going to be using just a little bit of salt and some vanilla flavoring. Now this is my own standby. This is Watkins flavoring. You use whatever kind you have. Last but not least, I have 3 sticks of room temperature butter, baby. Yeah, we're going to be using butter in this guy. All right, so my butter is room temperature. You can probably see how soft it is. I'm going to get this right down into the bowl because I'm going to whip it and whip it good. Don't worry about the measurements, the amounts, and all the ingredients. They're going to be in the description box right under the video. So you can get it there. You can copy and paste it. And you can have everything in the right measurements. So now we're going to whip the butter. We're going to incorporate air into this butter because we want the cake to not only be buttery, but we want the cake to be fluffy and good. I am getting in my sugar into the butter. And I'm just pouring it in slowly. Now, my mixer, when I'm putting the sugar in, is not as fast as it looks because I have it speeded up here for the interest of time. So I'm going to be just beating this for a while. Getting air into the sugar and butter mixture. This is really a simple pound cake. We're going to just wipe this guy down and scrape our bowl down so we can get all the ingredients under the beaters. This is a simple pound cake, but it tastes oh so good. It is an amazing recipe. I want you guys to try it. Anybody that eats it will be just blown away because it's really good. Still whipping here. Now you can whip this sugar and butter mixture for 3 minutes, 5 minutes. It's not really critical how long you whip it, but once you add the flour, you don't want to whip it that long. I've just gotten 1 of my eggs in now. Remember, my eggs were room temperature and yours should be too. That's my 2nd egg, y'all. There goes in my 3rd egg. And like I say, mine is speeded up. But when you put your egg in, you want, but in between each egg, you want to beat it for a while. Maybe like a minute. Just make sure that you don't see any of the previous egg. All the egg is gone, then you add another egg. Let's see, I have lost count here. What was that? Is that my 5th egg there? Now at this point, it already smells good. I mean, you got butter, sugar, and eggs. How can you go wrong? Look how creamy that is, guys. I'm scraping my bowl down again. So I did put all 6 of my eggs in. And I keep stressing room temperature because you want all your ingredients to be room temperature. Everything that you put in here, room temperature. So now I am beginning to introduce my flour to the rest of these ingredients. Hello, how are you doing? I'm starting out with my flour. I'm not putting all of it in. I'm putting a portion of the flour in. And I am going to be adding alternatively flour, then sour cream, then flour, then sour cream. I am going to be starting with my flour and ending with flour. And that's what you should do too. More flour. And of course, you beat it to let it incorporate well after every addition, whether it be flour or water. Y'all, this cake is so easy. It's really makes no sense. It's so easy. Now, on this particular cake, I'm not going to put any kind of frosting or icing or any kind of drizzle on it. If you want it, the good thing about this cake, it is versatile. If you want to put something on it, you can. If you don't have to, because this cake can stand on its own. The wonderful and amazing thing about this cake, it is going to give you the kind of cake that I love. In a pound cake, I love it to have sort of a cookie-like outside, and then I want my inside to be fluffy and light and airy, but I want that outside to be sort of crusty and cookie-like. And this is exactly the recipe for that, if you know what I'm talking about. You know how in every neighborhood you got this lady, Miss Fannie Lou or Miss Maisie, who cooks the best pound cake, and it's real tall and real cookie-like on the outside and fluffy on the inside? This is this cake. This is Miss Fannie Lou's cake. I just added in some baking soda, and I just added in some salt. Like I say, check the description box. You're going to have everything you need there. Just enjoy this video. For right now, I am coming in now with a teaspoon of my vanilla extract, baby. Going to give it a beautiful, beautiful vanilla taste. I'm coming right back in, though, with some lemon extract. Going to give this cake just a hint of lemon. Just a hint, y'all. Don't expect nothing big. It's going to be just a hint of a lemon. I'm putting in also some almond extract, and I'm also putting in some butter flavor. Those are 4 flavorings that I'm using today. You don't have to always use all of these flavorings. Now, I've already greased and floured my favorite pound cake pan. This batter is so rich and so thick. It's best to really spoon this in if you can, or if you're going to have to, because it's going to be too thick to pour it in. So you want to smooth it in. Spoon it in, I mean. Spoon it, baby. Isn't that beautiful? Have you seen a batter more beautiful than this? Look at this. Now this ought to tell you how your cake is going to be. Y'all, you know I'm getting excited. Now you're going to come back around with your spatula and just kind of smooth it out. You know, I'm going to tap it on my counter just a little bit and straight into a preheated 325-degree oven. I'm going to bake it for 90 minutes. I think it's ready to come out, but I'm going to check it with a toothpick or a wooden skewer. This has been 90 minutes. Let's see what we got. So after that toothpick test, I'm going to set it out and let it cool for at least 60 minutes. And here it is now, sitting up on my cooling rack. I'm going to let it stay here at least 60 minutes. Then I'll get it out. You can let it stay in as long as 90 minutes. But look at that, honey. Look in there. How clean this is. Oh, did it come out perfect or no? What do y'all think? Perfect or no? I think perfect, y'all. Oh man, this is the best cat. You know, you can tell that I'm ready. I'm nervous. You see how my camera's trembling? I am trembling. This is so good. I can't wait to move forward with it. Oh Lord, it is so good. Look at that. I kid you not. This is all you need. This cake is everything. You know how grandma, the old ladies, they could make a perfect pound cake, the church ladies? Like this is not crispy, but this is like cookie-like on the outside. But the top up there, it's firm, but it's still moist and it's still fluffy. Look, guys, this is the kind of cake that you used to get when you had the food at church. And you go and there'd be one woman that could make a fabulous pound cake and the others would just be trying. And you'd want to say, hey, put that up. I'm going for Miss Fannie Lou's, Miss Fannie Mae's cake. All right, this is Miss Fannie Mae's cake, y'all. But Meso did it, and you can do it too. Hey, if you like my videos, y'all, you know what I want you to do. I want you to share. I want you to like. I want you to share with everybody wherever you're at on social media. Tell people about my channel. I need you to subscribe. Yeah, and I want you to give me a big old thumbs up if you like what I've done here. You came here today because you wanted to see what I'd be doing. You knew Meso would be throwing down. And I hope I did not disappoint. I want to thank you for watching, guys. Hit that when you subscribe, hit that notification bell until parentheses come around the bell. That way you know you'll receive a notification every time I put up a new video. Guys, thank you for coming by. I appreciate you so much. I love you. Be safe. Bye-bye.